Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Good morning, Miss Gloria.
Good morning.
I've been trying to reach out to several people seeking help, but everybody I message, they do not open their DMs. Miss Donna was one of the people that I messaged, I think is last year, I'm not sure. And she said she only helped people in her community. At that moment, I don't know. However, remember we did reach out, I did reach out to Star and Star take a story. And you did get the help for your leg. However, that leg that you have it weigh more than you. So I understand so you cannot put it on. It's hard to put on your foot. And tell them how you get around in the house.
I creep on my knee.
As you can see, she have one leg. She's diabetic, she lose her leg. She have to tie up the both legs them and creep around in her knee. She have no kids. She live alone. Alright? She live alone and they seek help, and we did get help from a guy named Kevin. He sent a barrel of food for her in last year, don't it? Yeah, and we did get the help and get the leg. As I said, she cannot manage the leg. The leg is very hard. The leg?
Number me by it.
No man, one lady they come in, Miss June.
Not one and me by it.
Yeah, but the lady that named Miss June, she came in and gave in the rest of the money. The lady that take the picture with you and everything, yeah, she gave the rest of the money on it. She's the one who finished paid off for it. I don't know if everybody who was contacting me, I tell them I don't want to receive any money in my hand. So I was telling them that I want to get to Mona Rehab, and Mona Rehab was telling me that they're going to send paper to me. Well, however, they did not send anything to me. And I sent everybody Mona Rehab number because I never want nobody send no money to me. Alright? So nobody never send no money to me. Only Kevin send the barrel, and pick up the barrel and bring it come. But you need help. Yes, you need help, and me not in a position right now. See, nails business, everything's slow for me right now. Nothing now going for me. And me have my house a leak for me and everything a happen. But me I try to get started out. So, me I see if I can get help for you. Me I go post up. Tell them your name, Miss Gloria.
My name is Gloria Llewellyn.
And what would you like? What would you like for them to help you with?
I need a whole heap of help.
Whole heap of help?
Yes.
Nobody cry, just talk. Just talk your mind. Talk, Miss G, because you grow me.
Oh God. What am I saying?
Your house phone still work?
No.
You don't work no more?
Mm-mm.
So you need all that phone. So because more than prefer people who want to help you, call you and talk to you. But prefer them have a phone. You have a phone where they can call you and talk to you.
But the phone, it is still there inside there, you know.
Which phone? The house phone?
Yeah, but
So about the phone what you never did give you, Alton, where that day?
I don't know. I don't know where that
She did also receive a wheelchair from Food of the Poor, from a gentleman named David. I remember David came here, take her measurement and gave her a wheelchair. Yeah. So, Miss G, I'm going to go in back on the Wi-Fi and send this in. I'm going to see what kind of help I can get. Me stay bad right now, I'm not going on no video. Me look like real mad man. You see what I'm saying? Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miss J. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now, Miss J?
Oh, God.
You never remember?
No.
Oh God, you never remember say your birthday?
No.
Jesus. Oh.
Me remember yesterday.
You remember
I did wake
yesterday?
up this morning and me no remember.
Oh my God, happy birthday, Miss G. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Food for the poor contact me. The guy though they bring the wheelchair here. Him say I come with some little food for you and clothes. Yeah. So him contact me, say I come. Him call me last night late and say I'm going to come here with some little food for you.
Wow. Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. Don't know, so they're attacking boss there and the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And you know, at times, people, we do, you know what I mean, blast some of these stories. You get me, I say? Yeah, we do at times being. And to be honest, people, as I can hear her, she said she reach out to several people and thing, and you know, she never want to give out her number, which is true, because she reached out to me a couple months ago, people. And to be honest, that was the same problem I did have, you know what I mean, because I never have no contact with her, because I could have just put up say somebody need help, and in the end I don't have a contact for that person, for this lady, you know. So that was the problem there. But now she reach out back to me, people, honestly, in a very, you know what I mean. And this is why now me ask her, I said, please just give me a contact, then let me use a contact. And she, alright, she comes so boom, and she allow me to use her number to seek help for this lady. So she reached out to me with a voice message, people, and I just want to play this voice message that she reached out to me with. You understand, trying to seek help for this lady again, and the condition that she in right now, in a very bad state. So let me just play it.
NEWLINK, good night. The old lady, the lady with the one foot that I've been seeking help for, could you do a story about her and seek help for her, please? I haven't seen her for a week, and I saw her this morning. She got very small, and they were heading to hospital with her. I never came to take her to the hospital, so I came home early from work to see if she was okay, just in time to see that she's coming home. They say her sugar is higher than the norm. She get really small. She don't have anybody to help her. She need diaper. She's over there without light right now. I can go outside and make a video right now and show you her house. Oh, it's in dark. She don't have a phone, so I don't know how that part is going to be done.
That is the partner we're asking.
Her name, let me text it.
Yeah, so that's the partner, people, where I do have to ask her for her number. You understand? And in a situation like this, it is really sad. No joke about it. This lady, Miss Gloria, right? She lives in Seaview Gardens, people. And she's in a bad state. She need help because, number one, she don't have any children, people. And they said she originally from St. Elizabeth in Jamaica, which she do live in Seaview, which I know a lot of people can move from a different part and go live in a KINGST0N thing. And this is the state that she in right now, my people. And she really needs some help. You understand? In the end, people, this same girl who do the nails, who you hear in the video and talking and trying to get the help for this lady and thing, she reached out to Miss D0NNA, right? Yeah, she do. Because you know, so a lot of people, they heard that Miss D0NNA doing a charitable thing and, you know, Miss D0NNA helping people. She reached out to Miss D0NNA several times, people. As I can look on the side of this screen right now, these are the messages she reached out. And maybe out of all, she replied maybe 2 or 3 times. The part say good morning, then the other part say, you know what I mean, she only help people in her community. You know what I mean? And then the other part say, it's not a charitable program. Which, to be honest, people, and me know say, a lot of people maybe hate me for this. A lot of people may come down on me for this. A lot of people maybe say, yo, my God, left a channel, me don't watch it, me not watching no more people. But in the end, listen to me. You say when there's something, you have to be stand up for the rights. You have to stand up. And this is how things is right now, people. Not because you see somebody come pretty up and they will say, look, you know, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I'm here for a cause. But some of them are, yo, we need to say certain things now because people just But what me ask the people, see? Mr. a program, right? And I'm being truthful and realistic now. See? Oh, hate, I just say go. That's a program where me know start by going to people yard in a Kingston who are neighbor or whatever and help them. That is Kingston, St. Andrew. See? And Ochi she go, and Mobile she go and St. Mary and Portland, right? See you the right up there, son. If somebody reach out to you about somebody, right? You have a program which the program is funded by people who donate to your program, whether locally or whether international, right? And you mean say you can come and look in yourself, you know what I mean, and help try to find out, and instead of tell somebody you help people in your community or whatever. But me think this thing bigger because I have seen before, you know what I mean. I mean, I thought now where Mr. D0NNA leave from Kingston go chill and go help people. So me not understand how she could come some woman. You know what I mean? Me appreciate the good that she had to people, and me appreciate all of the people that she help already. I appreciate her. Me not go against her, me not tear her or nothing. But me don't gotta be truthful. See? And there's a lot of people, me see, who say the same thing too. You know what I mean? Me see Mr. D0NNA help people who young, strong man. See? And people send money and help them. And I say she help young woman who chang and then do this and then do that, then go buy a wig, put up on their head, buy this again, give man. Get me see people that buy car and this. See? And you go tell me say something like this. So people, I want to watch a message the girl reach out and a big. No joke about, and that's the same way I know a lot of people reach out to them. But basically to me see people, you know, me even want to say certain things because I know the hate and the backlash me I go get, man. But all me can ask my viewers and subscribers out there. Anybody at all, me beg you please, if you can help this lady and assist this lady in any way, please me beg you, whether they are Jamaica or they overseas, I'm asking you all, please, you know. You can help her, please just help her, assist her. Because it's in a state right now, people, where we have to come together, you know. You know what I mean? We have to come together. We can't be only for ourselves. And sometimes people say NEWLINK, you can't help, you can't get to. But look at it. I have a program right now, right? And I'm not saying I can't help financially, right? No, I'm not saying that. But I have a program right now. And what I'm doing right now, because I'm pushing this story out there, I didn't tell them, say, because I would tell them if I did have a contact for a long time, I would help her. But I never said to them, say, look, you know what I say? We don't go help people when we know if I which part I live, or we don't go help certain type of people. No. See? When people reach out to my store, people, honestly, you see how much people I try to seek help for it. Wholly for a long time from me just start. But what we do look a check first and get to find out so the thing legit, then we come so boom. You know what I mean? So, honestly, man, all I say my people, Zane, please, help Miss Gloria. Zane, help her. You know, because she not going in a bad state right now, people, and me just want to put this out there, and, you know, anybody that begging in front of art, please help her. They attacking boss NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production and Ask, you know. Zane, yeah, man, help out Miss Gloria. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know, and just more love people and more respect. And as I say, I'm not try bring down Mr. D0NNA thing, I'm not try tear them down, but it's just truth and it's just reality. Zane, if you have a program of funding by people and somebody, just try get people on the ground, because Mr. D0NNA thing is so big in Jamaica, you know, get a few people inside we can go do some checks now. I see if you they say you live in a Kingston, same way, you know what I mean, there's so much people around your foot, get one of them comes to boom, make a link and find out and boom, you know, and you know what I mean, make your thing work, man. How much people me see, you know what I mean? And the artists them too, you have a lot of artists from Seaview too, you know, Dexter Daps a Seaview, man, Bunty, all of them, you know, but we say Bunty helps so much people, so much people Bunty killer helps so much, so I could even say Bunty for this, Bunty for that, the man helps so much people, but you don't know the thing of people, but they attacking boss man, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man, and big up on yourself, more love, more respect, and if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe, no, you understand, I see anybody who a plan for you and sub because of certain things, look at that man, think before you act. Peace out. Attack. Big up.